In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to a drop-down menu on Shopify. We're going to walk through this inside your Shopify admin, so make sure you're logged into your store. From your main Shopify dashboard, look at the left-hand side menu. Here, you'll see various sections that control different parts of your store. To manage your navigation, start by clicking on the section labeled Content. This is where Shopify keeps things like menus and other structured content for your storefront. Once you're in the content area, you'll see an option called Menus. Go ahead and click on Menus. This is where all the navigation menus for your store live, such as your main menu and footer menu. Next, locate the menu called Main Menu and click on it. This is usually the menu that appears at the top of your online store and is what your customers use to browse categories and products. Inside the main menu editor, click on Add Menu Item. This is how you create a new link in your navigation. A panel will open where you can type in the name of your new menu item. This will be the main heading that customers hover over to reveal the drop-down, so choose something clear and descriptive, like shop, products, or a specific category name. Below the name field, you'll see a link field. Click into it and choose what this top-level item should link to. You can link it to all of your products, a specific collection, or something else. In this example, we'll link it to all products, so select that option from the list. Confirm your selection so the link is set. Now we need to create the actual drop-down item that appears beneath that heading. Click Add Menu Item again. This time, in the name field, type the name of the specific product you'd like to show in the drop-down. This is what customers will click directly to go to that product. In the link field for the second item, choose Product, then select the exact product you want to connect. This makes sure the drop-down item opens the right product page. When you're done adding the new items, click Save. Next, arrange them into a drop-down. Find the first menu item you created, then use the 6-dot handle next to it to drag it into the position you want within the menu. After that, grab the second item, the product, and drag it so it sits directly underneath the first item and slightly indented to the right. That indentation tells Shopify that it's a child item, creating the drop-down relationship. Once everything is in the correct order and indented properly, click Save Again. Finally, open your online store in a new tab and hover over the menu item you just created. You should now see your product appearing in the drop-down, ready for customers to click.